Okay, Nordic curls look super intimidating, but let's find a good access point for everybody. Anchor your heels securely. Have a nice high riser in front of you. Put your hands behind your back and slowly lower until your hips reach the riser. Come to a complete rest, and then pushing your hips forward, pull yourself back with your hamstrings. If you've got success here and you think you can go a little harder, all you need to do is lower the riser by a couple inches at a time. If you're okay there, you can progress lower. If you don't have a riser, however, you may want to use your hands to catch yourself at the bottom and to push yourself back up. Just ensure that you're not doing it all with your arms and you're getting as much hamstring work as you can muster. If you're not lucky enough to have a Nordic bench like I do here, you can wedge your feet underneath a heavy bench using some padding on the floor, or you can kneel on top of a bench and strap your ankles down. The best way though is to use a partner to hold your feet.